It is Friday evening, March 1st, 2024, on the world famous Via Rail train number 1, the Canadian, heading from Toronto Union Station to Park Central Station, Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. We are west of Wainwright, Alberta, east of Edmonton, Alberta, on the Canadian National Railway, Wainwright Subdivision. Here's my dinner. Signature drink of the Broadway Limited, Pennsylvania Railroad Broadway Limited, a Manhattan on the rocks. For dinner in the dining car, prime rib, mashed potatoes. There's the view, overall view of the dining car. Everybody rocking and rolling. we got about 45 of us moonlighters aboard. You just get up, overall view. Again, Friday evening, March 1st, 2024, aboard the dining car of the world famous Via Rail train number 1, the Canadian, over and out.